Alright, so you want to learn how to make a file and then copy it into a new directory? Well, I'll show you. First off, look at my background. I made it in Blender. It's pretty cool in it. So first we want to find out. We realize we want to find our present working directory. So we probably type in PWD. This means present working directory. I gotta take these off. It's fogging up. Okay, so as we know, we are in the desktop, and so I want to we want to look to see all our files inside on our desktop. So let's go to our desired folder. So we're going to type in cd, and then since we're already in desktop, we don't even need to do any slashes. We just type in where we want to go. Now we're in our school directory. If we want to make a directory, we can see there's nothing in school. We see our present working directory, we're in school. If we want to make a directory, do mkdir. This means make directory, obviously. And you press space and you type in the name. So I'll just do tutorial. So if we type in ls, we see that we have a tutorial folder. So we want to make a text file. In order to make a text file, you just type in touch, and then you do file.txt or any type of anything in here. You can do name, you can do tutorial. I wouldn't recommend that because we already have a folder named tutorial, but I'll just do text, or I'll do name. So if we type in ls, we see we have a name.txt. I think we can also do the same thing with nano. Name.txt. Nano is essentially the same thing, but I think it opens it up. I could be wrong on this, but we can see, type in hello, and then, you know, Control S, Control X. Okay, well, I think it just opened it. That's what nano does, it opens it. Anyway, so let's say we want to copy it. So we can copy name.txt, and copy is just CP. And then we can put it into a new folder, or not a new folder, a new file, and we'll call that name2.txt. Now we have two. If we do nano name2.txt, we can see it's also the same thing. It's completely copied. So what we can do is we can do mv, which means move, name2.txt, and then we move it to our tutorial directory. Now our name2 isn't in there, but we can do ls tutorial, and we can see it's inside of our tutorial directory. And so let's say we want to remove directory. We want to remove the tutorial. We just want to get rid of it. So we can do rm, and we'll do tutorial. Oops. As you can see, it doesn't work. So what we can do is rm/r. This means recursive, and it removes everything inside of it. Tutorial, and as we can see, it's not in there anymore. So, but there's also another way we can do it. So I made it again, and there's another one. It's called remove directory, where we don't need to do our recursive function like that. All we have to do is rmdir and then tutorial, and it's not there anymore. And then we can also do rm on name.txt, and it's gone. And then we can just exit out, and we can see that we're back where we need to be.